Hi everyone, my name is Nirajdar Siddharth. Today date is 9th March 2022. Today's topic is life journey of Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a famous name in the whole world. He is conducted among the greatest scientists of the 21st century. Even more, he becomes the 11th president of India and served his country. He was the most valued person of the country as his contribution as a scientist and as a president is beyond compare. Apart from that, his contribution to the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, is remarkable. He headed many projects that contributed to the society. Also, he was one who helped in the development of Agni and Prithvi missiles, for he is involved in the nuclear power in India. He was known as Missile Man of the India, and due to his contribution to the country of government awarded him with highest civilian and award. Next, APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Tamil Nadu. At that time, financial condition of his family was poor. So from an early age, he started supporting his family financially, but he never gave me of education along with supporting his family. He continued his study and completed graduation above. He continued the studies and completed graduation above of the he all was member of the Pokhran nuclear test conducted in 1998. There is a countless contribution of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to the country, but was most famous of greatest contribution, that is development of missile that goes by the name of Agni and Prithvi. There is a countless contribution of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam country with he is by supported them every good day. Next, next is the greatest missile man becomes a president of the India 2022. During his presidency period of army and country achieved the problem in many missiles that contribute to not people satisfied with his work, that why the wanted to be president a second of time, but later on cornered his name after leaving the advertisement in the president office and turned Dr. Abdul Kalam again turned to passion with teaching students. He worked at for many renowned and President Institute of India located across the country. Above all, according to his youth of the country, he is very talented by but need the opportunity above their work is high supported them their way very good blessed. Next, next is during the lifetime Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was not only awarded and honored by Indian organization and committees, but also by many international organization and commitments. And during his lifetime, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam wrote many books, but his most notable work was India 2022, which have an action plan and make India as superpower. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a man of simplicity and integrity. He was busy at work at that rises up early in the work. Let me have further midnight. And he died delivering her lecture of student. He shilling by sudden cardiac arrest in 2015. He was an outstanding screenshot in the engineer who was observed the of a nation of and died for serving in the man of the vision of in India, a great country, and as according to the youth of real assets country. That's why should we inspire and motivate them. Thank you.